Professional traders don't wonder whether their edge is working. They look at their numbers and know, because they've replaced gut feeling with continuous measurement that provides real-time visibility into whether their system is performing as expected or drifting into territory that requires attention. The Expectancy dashboard is a simple tracking system that shows your key metrics at a glance. Win rate, average win, average loss, reward to risk ratio, and expectancy per trade, updated after every trade and reviewed weekly, transforming "I think my system works" into "my data shows." My system produces X expectancy per trade over the last 50 trades. Why a dashboard matters. Without visible metrics, you operate on feeling, and feeling lies constantly, making you believe your system is broken during normal variance and working during lucky streaks, creating a distorted picture that drives bad decisions about whether to continue executing or abandon ship. With visible metrics, you operate on data, and data tells the truth even when it's uncomfortable, showing you that your losing streak is within normal parameters, or that your recent profits came from improved luck, not improved edge, providing clarity that feeling can never deliver. The 5 metrics your dashboard needs. First is win rate, the percentage of trades that were profitable, tracked as rolling average over your last 50 trades. So you see current performance, not historical noise. Second is average win in dollars or R multiples, showing how much you make when you're right. Third is average loss in dollars or R multiples, showing how much you lose when you're wrong. Fourth is reward to risk ratio, calculated from average win divided by average loss, showing the relationship between your wins and losses. And fifth is expectancy per trade, calculated from win rate times average win minus loss rate, times average loss, showing your expected profit per trade. The rolling window is critical. Tracking all-time statistics buries current performance under historical data, so a trader whose edge degraded 3 months ago might not notice because years of positive data masks recent problems, while rolling 50 trade windows reveal current system behavior regardless of what happened before. Review cadence matters. Update your dashboard after every trade while the data is fresh. Review weekly to spot trends and compare current performance to historical baselines. And use monthly reviews to assess whether your edge is stable, improving, or degrading over longer timeframes. What the dashboard reveals that gut feeling hides. Maybe your win rate dropped from 55 to 48% over the last month, but your reward to risk improved, so expectancy actually increased. Or maybe your win rate looks fine, but average loss crept up 20%, destroying expectancy, while winning frequency stayed constant. These nuances are invisible to gut feeling but obvious on a dashboard, and traders who see the data make informed adjustments, while traders who trust feeling make emotional adjustments that often make things worse. The psychological benefit of visible expectancy. When you can see that your system produces positive expectancy over rolling 50 trades, losing streaks become easier to endure because you have evidence that variance will resolve, and you stop asking, "Is my system broken?" because the dashboard shows you the answer every time you look. Common resistance. Tracking every trade is tedious and takes too much time. The tracking takes 2 minutes per trade, and the weekly review takes 15 minutes, which is trivial compared to the hours you'll spend questioning your system without data, and the clarity provided is worth far more than the time invested. Your implementation. Create a simple spreadsheet with columns for trade date, result, win or loss, R multiple, and running calculations for your 5 metrics. Update it after every trade starting today. Review weekly rolling averages, and watch how visible data transforms your relationship with your trading system from hope-based to evidence-based. When expectancy is visible and measured, you stop wondering whether your plan works and start knowing. And that knowledge is the foundation for trusting your edge through the variance that makes most traders abandon systems that were working all along.